I'm Jonathan Pines from Rupert Neve Designs, and I'm here on the floor of the 2026 InfoComm show, and I want to show you a great new piece from us, the OptoFET. So, this is a pretty amazing piece. It's a fully featured FET compressor and a fully featured opto compressor, but you can use them together, you can use them in series, you can change the order, and you get all the control you would expect. You get attack and release, ratios, you get that on the opto side, which is a little bit more unusual. We have two very unique switches. Here's a control called grit, which basically is sort of similar to the all buttons in mode, but way over the top. And then we have this mode, which converts it from more of a solid state optical field to a tube optical field. And the thing that really makes this a different piece is the crossover. So you can set the FET compressor to work on either the high or the low end, or the optical to work on either the higher and low end. You can obviously switch them as well, change the position of them. You can see the switches make that show up in different spots. There's parallel compression built in, really an amazing piece. It's not an emulation of a FET, an optical. It is an actual FET, and it is an actual optical. For more information, please go to rupertneve.com. I'm Jonathan Pines on the floor of the 2026 InfoComm show.